Hello, welcome back to Philitophers. I hope you're doing well today. For me, today I'm not feeling well, but that won't be a reason for us not learning, okay? So let me show you a step-by-step guide on how you can get your own verified USA email address, okay? So the first thing you need is an Antidetect browser. There are several Antidetect browsers out there. They all do the same thing, they work the same, so whichever one you use, they're going to do the same thing. But the one I use is Mologing because they offer two free profiles that you can utilize immediately when you register with them. Okay, so go ahead and create an account with them, then download it on your platform or on your PC. And when you log in, this is the dashboard you're going to see. As you can see, I'd already created one profile. So let me show you how you can create your own profile. Creating a profile is easy. Just click on new profile here, and you need to, let's name it, what should we name it? mtag 2. Let's have mtag 22. Yes. Then you need to come down here, and the next thing we need is a proxy. Okay, so let's go ahead and utilize the free proxies from WebShare. Go ahead and create an account with them in case you still don't have an account with them. And when you're on this, when you've already logged in, just click on proxy list. Okay, you'll see 10 free proxies that you can utilize. Okay, so let's take one and set our profile. Let's take the first one, copy that, and come back to your profile proxy here. So all of those proxies are SOX 5, so make sure you click on SOX 5 there. Then proxy server is the one we copied, and we go back. Let's take the port. Then proxy account, yeah, that is the username. Copy. And the password. Yes. Then paste it there, and click on confirm. Okay, and just like that, we now have the second profile. Okay, so when you want to work on it, just click on start. It will open another profile, another window. And the first thing, it will show you where your proxy is. So New York, Buffalo, okay, United States, and zip code is that. So if you want to check the strength, just go to hua.net. Let's see. Let's see the strength of this proxy. Okay, you can see the IP is still in United States, Buffalo, and the strength is 100%. Now you see, some of these free proxies you can find good ones, but what you should know is that you should not use them to work, to do the work. Okay, just use them to check, to test some of these sites. Okay, so after setting up your proxy, you see this proxy is working fine. The disguise is 100%, so it's a strong one. So let's now get our own USA email. Okay, So just type Google or email, Gmail account. Yeah. Not a robot. Now you'll have to pass this captcha, okay? So you'll have to do it. Pass. And yes, we've passed the verification. So click on Google, Gmail. So let's create an account. So just click on create an account here, and we are going to take we are going to make a personal email account. So the next thing we need is a profile. Okay, so for profile, I want you to type I want you to come to this platform. It's called myfakeinfo.com. Okay, what you need to know is that this site has a lot of ads, so you need to be very keen on the web address. It is myfakeinfo.com. When you're on this platform, I want you to come here, national ID numbers, then the second one, US SSN with the name generator. Okay, click on it, you'll land to this page. So on this page you can see all the names generated with the SSN, gender, birth day and age, and also the address and zip code, which is a very important information. So just choose on any, then you need to copy it and paste it somewhere you can retrieve it easily. These are some that I've already pasted. Okay, so let's use this one. So let's use this name. So copy, then we go back to our US profile, so paste it. The reason why we are using that platform is because it will be easier for you to edit the verification documentation in case some of the platforms we are going to register on need them. Okay, so this is a SSN, they're usually valid. Now really custom. So next one, so month, day, so let's go back and check. So month is 10, days 29th 1997. So month 10, use that. Day was 29th, days 29, 1997. 1997. Nice. Gender was male, or yeah, gender is male. So click on next. So which one can we choose? Let's choose Carson Will at 0, like this one. Then next. So let's create the password. So we can use one term 2027. I'm going to change it, so confirm it. So next, now the next thing we need is a phone number. So for phone number verification, phone numbers, you can use a free, you can try your luck on this free platform. It's called SMS pin verified, SMS pin verify, this one.com. You can come here and take one of these numbers. You can be lucky, so let's just try this. The first one, just click on it and let's copy it. Let's paste it and let's try it out. It will work. Now click on next, and this phone number has been used too many times now. Most of them you won't be lucky because it is a free number, so several people are using them, but you can be lucky if you get one that hasn't been used so many times. So if you're not lucky in this site, smspinverify.com, you can go to the next one, which also offer free phone numbers. It is called tempsms.com, and just try them out. Okay, you can take one and try. But let's say you've tried these two platforms and you are not lucky. You can use a premium platform, text verify. Just go ahead and create your account with them. Then when you log in, the first thing they'll require you to add credits. So adding credits is easy. Just click on credit there, and it will bring you to a place where you can add your credits. So click on purchase, and you can purchase using your Visa card. So for Visa card, you'll have to have like $2.5 in your card for them to bill you, or you can use your crypto wallets. So the most affordable crypto currency they use is Litecoin, which you'll have to have like $5 in your crypto wallet. Okay, the rest are quite expensive. Let's see, let me just show you. So like Ethereum, you'll have to have 50. Okay, and for Tether, you'll have to have like 20 USD. So Litecoin is the most affordable one with 50. So just go ahead and buy the credits. As you can see now, I have $4 in this account. So let's verify our email. Okay, so when you are on text verify, when you want to verify anything, just go to verification there. You will need the text verification. Then you need to specify the service. So for us, that is Google. So that is yeah, you can take Google or email any. So they'll charge you $1 for it, and with this platform you are guaranteed to work. Like as you can see, they've already charged me with the $1. Okay, so let's copy the number, this one, then we go back and let's paste it there. So click next. And yes, they've already sent the coin, the code. So let's go back and successfully received your SMS. Would you like to do another one? So let's copy the SMS. This is the Google code that they've sent. So let's copy it and we go back and we paste it there. Okay, so click on next. There are other platforms you can use, but I use text verify. Now you need to have an recovery email. So for me, let me just use our own email address for recovery email. Okay, so this is an email that you need to be having an access to in case you need to retrieve this mail. So click on next, and just like that we've already created. So let me just copy it and paste it somewhere I'll use. Okay, so that's our email, that's our USA email address. So click on next, and let's now set it up. You'll have to agree to this and confirm personal. Okay, confirm. So this is one of the easiest way you can get your own verified email, USA email account. Like, as you can see now, this is an email account that is working, and you can use it to register on any platform, USA platform. And one of the tips that I usually use is that when you're making this profile, make sure that you have this email here. Whenever you want to use it, don't use it in another browser or another profile. Just use it in the same profile, and you will be able to register on so many platforms without any problem. Okay, so I hope you won't have any reason for not having your own verified USA email account. Go ahead and set them up, because the next videos will be on how to register on these money making sites. So I hope I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe and like the video, share it with a friend, and thanks for watching. Bye.